This is the second gate from main entry.
No.
Oh,
Is it?
is this? Huh?
For gate number 4 it is.
I don't know.
It is gate number 4.
4.
Look
How
at the
much?
fish.
How much gate?
Fish.
Yeah.
There are 9
fish
gates
here.
are there. 9
Fish
gates.
skeleton. Skeleton of poor fish. And flamingos there.
Yeah. Sculpture, huh? This is a sculpture.
It's not real one. Within this place, there is an archaeology museum which possesses sculptures. Different types of and different kinds of sculptures are here. And lots of shops here. We can buy everything from
Right
here.
now,
Snacks.
because of the corona,
Huh.
it is closed from everywhere because of the corona.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is not open.
Otherwise, we will get vada pav. क्या क्या
No,
है?
no.
Pani
you will
puri.
get Chinese, Punjabi food,
And Gujarati
and
food.
the junk food. And the junk
Yeah.
food you will get.
We don't know about that junk food.
No.
What
Here
is that
we
name?
can get junk food.
Like pani puri
Yeah.
or vada pav.
Vada pav, ये भेल, चाट पूरी.
Bhel.
हाँ, भेल.
Bhel, chaat puri,
हाँ, like that we will get it over here.
and etc. etc.
Yes, obviously.
I don't know more.
It's okay.
Here we have gym equipments. When starting with your fitness journey, you can come here.
We can do exercise over here. It's like a gym.
So good.
Don't shoot them.
Is there any problem here?
They are discussing something. And somebody don't like it, somebody like it. We don't know about it, anybody. So better not to record
Look
them.
at that. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this. Something happening here.
Oh, that is the main
And
thing over
nothing
there.
here.
That is a key. Look at that key. It is a gate number 5 and key is there. A key sculpture.
Nothing here in real. We are real.
Nothing here real.
But we are here
We
real.
like to enjoy and we came here for the fun.
Yeah.
Yes, we are doing it.
Token number 5.
Oh my god. We have taken a whole round. Now the thing is
We had to come here after 6. So we will get light.
we will get
different
a
types
light.
of
Yeah, we will get a light.
Music, light, everything.
But as usual, we can't shoot that much late, so we came early. Oh god,
We had to reach home at before 7 o'clock.
early as usual because this is Jamnagar, guys. We can't roam much more at the night.
And we are watching through.
Again at the wrong path. Again at the wrong path as usual. We are walking it. Somebody is looking very scary over here.
Look at that one horse is there.
That is a horse. No,
There was a
one
scut-
king part will also there. It will come nearby this.
It's not real horse.
Obviously, it is not. It is a sculpture, yaar. I'm showing a temple.
Where is
but
that parrot? I am waiting for
parrot?
parrots. Huh?
Here, bats are there. You can see bats. A lot of bats.
Yeah, bats too. Remembering that bats. Lots
This
of
place
bats
is
are
very
here.
good for the couples.
Exactly.
Exactly. The point is that as you can come here with the friends or with a couple. You want to come with the family, then come on Sundays, guys. It will be better chance for you all.
And come there, come there. It's so good scenery here.
Look at that sun. This is very beautiful. Look at that. This
So good here.
beautiful view is that from here, as you can see.
Stay there, stay there.
है सुहाना यहाँ कहीं क्या हो किसने जाना. It's the best song ever.
One more thing is there. You go there. I will
Like
capture
your-
with you. Who will win, he or you? Run from there.
He's running. You want me to run
Yeah, I want to run with him.
with him? I look very bad.
She's my best friend from more than 4 years. Yeah,
That's a very bad thing I did.
she's a good friend. Actually, she's a good friend.
Doing vlogging like this. Okay, calm now.
You are the winner. He is the.
He's running very smoothly like this. I can't, obviously.
Look at these flowers. I like flowers. Lots of flowers here. I love these flowers.
Very beautiful. Really very beautiful.
Wow, wow. One cat is the. Wow, wow.
Hey, that is a cat, baby. Baby.
Woo, woo.
It is kitten, not a cat.
Kitten. Small cat.
Obviously a kitten, yaar.
Its age is 3. It's cat.
I think it is a month.
I am guessing. I don't know.
No, it is a month. A month baby. Because I have kitten before, so I knew about that cat. I can
इसका अंदर होगा ना.
up to this parrots are only flying up.
Can we go inside?
Obviously, nobody will say no for that.
Babies are there. Jumping.
They are doing exercise and playing in the park. Actually, it's a park which is nobody that time is
We can see here lots of parrots.
and trees.
My favorite place. Actually, this place is visited by various species of birds, particularly during the period of migration. Parrots and bats also. Especially, it is a really great place where you can sit and enjoy the beautiful park and lots of sculptures here.
Recording everything.
Look at this place. It's so good.
Yeah, looking like right now very weird. I don't know why.
One frog is there and Hasra wo. That frog.
Very weird look. Okay. Forgot my laughing part.
Where is the parrot? We can't separate parrots from trees because both colors are same. Green, green.
We can't show them actually, guys. Sorry for that because they are actually
Lots,
there.
lots of parrots there.
They are there.
But we can't see.
We can't capture actually because of the trees. The trees color are similar and obviously the parrots are also similar in the color. So we can't capture that. So sorry for that. Yeah, as usual. Look at her.
Two babies are there playing.
Mm,
I'm also playing
with the sculpture, guys. She's doing dancing over there. Come down. Yay.
We have one more baby.
That is the main park and oh, lots of people. Okay, that's a babe.
He's calling me play.
You can't play with the fellow. Okay, the sculpture. Okay, guys, this is a garden where the kids can play over there. And let's move ahead. Come this side.
Can we go there? Uncle, can we go there? Udhar जा
We can go there, but we can't play on that because it's not for us, babes. It's a very nice view. The kids can play over here. Do you want to speak anything about this?
This is a good place. Sundar hai.
Sundar hai. Arey yaar, I hear your Hindi word from you. Come, let's move. I'll show you something. Okay, guys, it's very. Yeah, many Christmas trees are there here.
And
It's going to fall from my hand.
anything special here? Okay.
We want to say that rabbit dustbin show that. It's very good.
डस्टबिन को पकड़ कर रैबिट.
Okay, I'll show you more things. Come. There's many more things are there which I will show you. So don't.
I'm searching for parrots.
But you can't see the parents because of the color.
Pooja will explain everything from here.
No, I'm very bad in that. I want to show you the sculpture of this one. Yes, you can sit over here.
We can see two babies here too.
Sitting over here nicely in a round earth sculpture. As you can capture that.
डर नहीं लग रही है दोनों को.
The main thing I love about this very old. This is very old garden. It's very old garden over here. That's why because of the corona we can't come here. This side more. Because this side more. We can't come over there. They have already closed from that side. That's very nice. I think this place is very. This place, no, it is very good for the couples, not for us. As you can see, there are seats. There are seats like this where you can sit with a couple.
Sit there. Don't sit.
No, I will not. It's dirty right now. As you can see, I don't know about this plant. This plant is called Vidya. Vidya plant is called.
Buddhia.
Vidya. It's
Vidya.
We are putting in the between of the books. This one. Yeah, we are putting in the book. In
Vidya.
Gujarati we are saying, हाँ. In Gujarati we are saying चोपड़ानी बच्चे राखे छे.
क्या बोल रहे हैं? चोपड़ा?
हाँ, मतलब books. चोपड़ा means books.
Okay.
In the between of the books we are putting this.
चोपड़ा नहीं.
It's very good. चोपड़ा means books.
Books.
हाँ.
क्या words क्या है? चोपड़ा नहीं या खींचे?
चोपड़ानी बच्चे. चोपड़ानी बच्चे हमें राखे
Okay. हम
In between
उस
of the
तरह
books.
मोर पीच होगा ना?
हाँ,
वो मोर
like
पीच
that.
रखते हैं.
हाँ, like
इस तरह,
that only we are
okay.
putting this in between. It's very good. Means people are saying that we can remember more things. It is I don't know.
We don't want to.
They
Don't
are,
need to study
it is a
anything.
believer, I can say that.
Just put this leaf on your books.
Decoration.
Guys, it's great place to visit, located in the center of the city. If anybody is there out of Gujarat, must visit, and it's golden chance. Guys, please come and visit.
You can sit here also, guys. You forget to capture this one. You can sit here. It is very nice. Okay, you can sit over there at least. Okay. So here also you can come. And from here you can see the sunset also in front of it. Look at the lake side. Look at up. Birds are also flying.
Birds are flying together. Hey Pooja Beti, you taking selfie without me? It's not fair, yeah. No.
Hello, and as I am sitting in the video, you will like it over here. And as usual, the birds are chirping because of the evening time, and you will love it. If you are a nature lover, then you will love over here because I am in love with this place because of the birds chirping, river, music. If you are a music lover, also then you can hear here radio. The radio is on 24 hours. Not 24 hours, but while in the park you are, that time means till the night, evening 9 o'clock, till 9 o'clock you can hear the radio. Okay, from the morning onwards starts, and you will love it. If you are a music lover like me, okay, see,
I too am a music lover. Look there, look there. Pooja, come here. Pooja. Look at that. Oh my god.
Look at
Kitna
this. This is
sara.
parrots. So guys, this is parrots. We can't capture them closely, but these are all our parrots. Oh my god, look at that. See how beautiful they are. And look at her.
I'm watching. Look there, look there, look there. Oh my god.
It's lot of them. It's lot of them. Hey, don't look at her how she's going. It's very nice and beautiful.
I want to fly like this.
Come this side now. Oh guys, let's move ahead and we need to go from here. Let's move out. Show them the temple, no? Let's show them the temple. Take a. Okay, as usual. It's not yours, come out. Oh my god. Hello, beauty.
I introduced that frog too.
Oh my god, she introduced everything, guys. Yes, we are walking over here. Now where we are taking? Huh? Cincy? You're talking to where? Where we are going now?
I don't know. I don't know.
I'll take you out. Come. Hold this. I'll take you out.
अभी तो हम half complete किया ना?
There are more.
We have
This is
half
a temple also. This approximately 5 meters is there approximately. Yes, 5 to 5.5. Not more than that. Allow the part.
और झूला है उधर झूला.
Yes.
झूला के साथ खेलो.
No, no, no. This is banyan tree.
वो गिर जाएगा.
Capturing a part of it, no, जो public interest लगे. हाँ, here the old man and what person are there.
Yeah, I told about that.
You told about this?
हाँ.
This sculpture?
That bird. What's that name?
I love one thing that we are recording and
don't know.
people thinking that they have to wear a mask and they are wearing it because of us.
I don't have mask actually.
It's okay, but actually because we are
I'm a
recording
poor girl. I don't have mask.
Shut up.
Anyone give me mask?
Okay, like that they are playing it. You can capture them. Look at them. They are really enjoying it. The best part I love it that because of us people are wearing masks. This is again a
Everyone
city
have their
museum.
mask. 2 elephants are the.
Show our king.
नाम क्या है इनका? नाम नहीं पता. श्री माँ
Shriman.
मनहार गादीराज.
You don't.
I don't know.
It's Ranjit Singh Mohoday.
Okay.
Very nice. It's Ranjit Singh Mohoday.
उसका ऊपर श्री मनमहार जादिराज.
राजाधिराज लिखा है. श्री मनम राजाधिराज. श्री मनम राजाधिराज. They have written like that.
Manam Rajadiraj.
Yes, it is he was a king over here in Jamnagar. You forgot the name of the king.
I don't know about king.
It's okay.
and look their traditional wear. It's also good in here. We have bamboo house.
Hut. It's a hut type. Hut.
Okay, hut, not house. Oh my.
These all are huts. But here the bat is there. Very bad smell you will get. So don't come here. This side.
और हमारा सिर पे भी गिरेगा. Take care of that.
Really care of that, guys. Okay, there is a waterfall. See, colorful waterfall is there at the corner side. It's very beautiful. Can you see that?
Its color is changing from green, red, violet, purple.
It is a fountain, no? Fountain, like
Yeah.
a fountain. It is there. What a waterfall! It is a fountain, guys. Look at her. She is walking in front of it. Like you? This plant is very beautiful. Like you?
Cactus. Cactus plant.
Okay.
Lots of cactus plant from there to here.
Yes, guys, you know about it.
We have parrot here and duck, flamingos, and lots of sceneries here.
Mm-hmm.
And the main thing is temple, 24-hour singing temple.
Yes, correct. Ram temple is there.
Ram temple,
Yes, Ram temple is there. And that 24 hours the hymns is going on. Okay, because I don't know why. But as they're from the rural area, means they are started from very beginning over here. And it is very nice to hear
At the
that
time
you will feel
of
relaxed.
earthquake, they continue that singing.
Yes,
What was that? I
hymns.
don't know about.
The Ram Bhajan. They take the name of the Ram.
Ram Bhajan.
Ram Bhajan also, and there 24 hours the Ram name is continue, they are singing it. Even in the night also.
I don't know about that, but I heard about that.
No, I know about it because I belong over here only.
We are new here.
Yes,
I
guys.
don't know more about that.
But we are planning to capture this thing because we can show this everything to you guys all. And yeah, we're loving it. Oh, this is a temple, a small temple of. It is a Gujarati. That is Mama. It's called. We will call Mama as Mama.
Mama.
Mama, Rana Mama.
Mama.
It is a Gujarati god. Means they have worshipped this god. Famous temple. This is a famous temple. See, show them. This is a
Sri Ram Jai Ram.
Sri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Ram.
This is the famous temple in Jamnagar. Wow, one dog is there. Pomerian doggy. Puja says that this Ram temple is listed by the Guinness Book of World Record, and everybody believes that it guards them from natural calamities and lots of problems and troubles.
Okay, guys, now we are showing you the main.
This
gate.
red carpet is only for walking purpose.
Walking and running. You can do your walking and running. And here is the Hanuman temple. Bala Hanuman, it is called the name.
That 24-hour singing.
Yeah, Ram Nam.
Ram.
As you can see here from the front gate. This is the front gate. This is Bal Hanuman temple. Front gate.
Shri Ramji, Ramji, Jai Ram. Okay.
Come this side. Wow, it's looking.
Eighth gate.
Yes, because the ninth gate is going to arrive. And this we are going to be in the end right now. Oh my god. Again the ducks part is there. The beautiful sunset. And now the sun is going to. It's going to be evening. I mean night. Not evening. Hello,
But
beautiful.
it's like night. It's dark.
It is very beautiful light.
The Lakota Lake, we can simply say that lake or talab. This lake is visited by various species of birds, particularly during the period of migration, and lots of foreigners here. And they also making the overall atmosphere more special. In the evening after 6:30 we can see different types of laser fountain show. It's awesome, guys. You must visit here.
Where?
That? Come. Let's go.
Is that ninth gate? Puja.
Fit that.
Okay.
Yeah, it is a night gate. Okay, guys. Now we are coming at the last gate, the ninth gate.
हम जा रही है. जा रही हूँ मैं.
We are going. This is the ninth gate.
Okay.
This is the ninth.
So last view for the viewers.
Here the total distance around the lake is probably more than 3 kilometers, and we walked 3 kilometers, guys. We completed our first vlog here together. I believe you guys enjoyed it lot.
नमस्कार जामनगर महा
अभी तो हम कंप्लीट किया ना एक राउंड. कैसे जाना है? इस तरह ना.
First gate. We have passed at the first gate.
Total we had 10 gates.
Nine.
9,
9 gates. Now we are going to our next first gate.
8, 9,
We take first.
1.
We take a whole round.
थक गई हम क्या
Nice work we have done.
कुछ नहीं
have
खाएंगे
done-
कोरोना की वजह से। नहीं तो हमको कुछ ना कुछ चाहिए था ना।
You can drink. You can drink that side at your nearby home side. No coconut water. That is good for the health.
Guys, we are tired. We didn't drink or eat.
You know one thing, coconut is coming from where?
Coconut is coming from where?
Where?
Coming from
From
Kerala. Obviously, Kerala is famous for the coconut only. And here we are going to be end over the video. Okay, goodbye. He's walking on it. We didn't miss. I captured that. She's saying bye bye to us. Oh my god.
Like this fountain, different types of colors are there.
Okay, this is the last capture. We are capturing the last one. This one.
It's our last moment. Today's.
Be enjoyable. Let's go.
हमारा कोक चाहिए,
Take it up.
ये लेंगे हम साथ।
Parking.
Yeah, we are waiting.
और कुछ नहीं खा सकते, पी सकते, इसलिए एक चॉकलेट है। कुछ नहीं।
It's very good moment and I love it. Don't be miss out this moment, please, guys. We friends really miss in this corona.
हम इधर वाइंड अप कर रही हूँ और
Please like to our channel,
सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल।
share it, do comments, guys, with your family, friends, and relatives. Do share our video and please subscribe to
follow
our
us.
channel and follow us.
टाटा, बाय बाय।